4 years after a toddler died following a routine root canal, her mother is on a mission to make sure it doesn't happen to anyone else by changing the rules for dentists. Back in 2013, Ashley Puleo's 3-year-old daughter Finley Boyle died after she was given a highly potent mixture of sedatives. Now she's pushing for a measure that would require mandatory on-site inspections of any dentist's office that uses sedation or anesthesia. It would also require dentists to post a sign with contact information for the state's Consumer Protection Agency. So why don't some leaders in the dental field like this? Sarah Madison is getting answers.
Legislators who support the bill say if better standards had been in place, the tragic death of 3-year-old Finley Boyle could have been prevented. The inspections would require officials from the Board of Dental Examiners to perform on-site inspections to make sure that the staff is able to respond to a medical emergency that may occur when a patient is sedated.
It's just another step to ensure the safety of the patients and to make sure that their emergency procedures are in place.
The Board of Dental Examiners says it supports the intent of the proposal, but there are already higher standards in place ever since the death of baby Finley.
What we have in law right now is beyond what this bill proposes. So I think we are fine in terms of the protection of the public in terms of general anesthesia.
Some of those regulations include permit renewals twice a year for dentists who use sedation and general anesthesia.
So we go on-site inspections, and we can do it at random if necessary.
As for the mandatory signs, Nagata says the patients should feel free to talk to their dentist directly.
I think the public themselves should be more aware, and I think it is up to the public to ask the dentist, in terms of his qualifications in doing so. And the public should check if this dentist is a specialist, a pediatric dentist, or not someone who is claiming to be a pediatric dentist.
The House committee passed the measure soon after with some changes. Sarah Madison, KHON 2 News.